A11 plus A22 into B11 plus B22, right? So here we are getting one multiplication. Yes or no? So here we are getting one multiplication. Similarly, so here we are getting one multiplication. Here one multiplication. Here one, right? So here one, and here one. Totally, how many multiplications are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally 7 multiplications are there, right? 7 multiplications are there, and here we just see addition and subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition, right? So reducing the multiplications from 8 to 7 and increasing the additions and subtraction. So we know that the time complexity of addition or subtraction is less compared to the multiplication, or complexity of the problem is less with respect to additions and subtractions, right? Okay, so hence this Strassen has given his own formulas so that he is reducing to calculate C of Ij with 7 multiplications and 18 additions or subtractions. Okay, with 7 multiplications and 18 additions or subtractions, right? Is it clear? This one you should keep in mind. By Strassen's method, we can multiply matrix with the 7 multiplications and 18 subtractions or additions. How? By using these formulas. Is it clear? So hence we are having a 7 multiplications. We are having 7 multiplications. What is the time complexity here? So previously it was 8t. Now it is 7t of n by 2 plus cn square. Okay, so this is with respect to Strassen's matrix multiplication. Why? Because he is reducing the multiplications to 7, right? So hence instead of 8t we are getting 7t of n by 2 plus cn square. If n is greater than 2, if n is less than or equals to 2, some constant time it is taking. Okay, so here it is b. Either you can take it as b as constant time, or sir, I'm confusing. I will take constant as 1. You can also take here 1. Is it clear? Can you respond, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just see what we are getting. The time complexity is 7t of n by 2 plus n square. Right. So this is t of n. So what is the time now? You apply Master's method. You apply master method. What we will get? What is A? What
7.
is A? A is 7, right? A is 7. What is B?
2.
2. B is 2 we are having. Next D is 2 we are having, right? So we are falling under A is greater than B power D, right? A is greater than B power D. You just go back and check what we should write if A is greater than B power D. So we are falling under A is greater than B power D. So what I should write now?
Theta into n power log b.
Theta into n log B power A, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So what is this one we are having now? 2 power
7.
log B is 2 and A is 7. So 2 power log 7 base 2. What we will get? What we will get log 7 base 2? What we will get here? 2 power
2.807.
2.807. Can we make it as 2.81?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just observe here. So previously it was n cube, right? Previously, so yesterday we calculated time as, so just see, big O of n cube, right? So just observe here. How we got this n? For this for loop is n times it is taking. For this for loop it is taking n times, and for this for loop it is taking n times. So hence total time we are having n cube, right? Total time it is taking n. If n is 2, so it is taking 2 cube, right? Understanding? Okay. So total time it is taking n cube. Right? Total time it is taking. Previously it was taking n cube. Oh, but now it is taking n to the power 2.81, right? Yes or no? Just see. So now we are having n to the power 2.81. So but previously we are having 3. Now it is 2.81. So this is a reduction in time by using the Strasson's matrix multiplication. Why this is reduced? Because it is reduced from 8 multiplications to 7 multiplications. Yes or no? Because of this, the time is reduced from 3 to 2.81. 3 to 2.81, right? So this is the contribution of Strasson's matrix multiplication. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have seen, suppose we are having 2 cross 2, right? We are considering the matrix size 2 cross 2 is there. It is small enough to solve. My next question is, suppose if we are having matrix 4 cross 4, okay, matrix 4 cross 4 is there, right? So what we will do now? So it is, we should make it as a small, right? We should divide this into n by 2, right? So when we divide this, so it will become like this, right? Now it is 2 cross 2. Yes or no? Suppose for example, let us take, I will take here only, okay? I will take here only. Let me take it is 4 cross 4 matrix, and here it is also 4 cross 4 matrix, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Sir, we are having. So now in the examination you will get like this. Apply Strasson's matrix multiplication or find the matrix product of matrix. So they will give like this, or they will give the question, apply Strasson's matrix multiplication method to solve 4 cross 4 matrix. Is it clear? Okay, now what we will do, so here it is a 4 cross 4 matrix. So the size is greater than this 2, right? The size is greater than this 2. So we are feeling that it is large, right? It is large. So we should divide this to a small problem so that we can solve that easily. So what we will do? We will divide this problem into half. We will divide this problem into half. Okay. Let me take this is A00. Okay. So this is A01 and this is A02 and this is A03. Okay. Similarly, like this it will follow. Now, since it is 4 cross 4, what we will do? We will divide this into n by 2. So when I divide, I will get like this, right? In Strasson's multiplication, I told we will take in powers of 2. Okay, in powers of 2 only we will take. If it is less than this, if it is less than this powers of 2, what we will do? We will just fill that with the zeros to make it as a power of 2. Okay. We will fill with the zeros so that it will become a powers of 2. Now it is 2 square, right? 4 plus 4 is 2 square. Okay. Now we will divide like this. Okay. We will divide like this similarly. So it is B00. It is B01 and it is B02. Okay, so it is B03 like that, whatever it may be. Okay, now you just see here, when we divide this 4 cross 4 matrix, automatically we are getting 2 cross 2 matrix, right? Now what we will do, we will consider this 2 cross 2 matrix as one single element by taking A00, or if you are starting with 1, it will take A11, it is A12. Okay, if you are starting with 1, it will take A11, so this is A12 and this is A21 and this is A22. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Kindly observe here how to solve a 4 cross 4 matrix by using the Strasson's matrix multiplication. So here it is A11, A12, A21, A22, right? Only 4 elements are there. Now only 4 elements means automatically it is 2 cross 2 now. Is it clear? Kindly respond please. Similarly, let me take this as a B11, B12 and it is a B21, it is B22. Now this entire 4 elements we are considering it as a one element. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if it is having like this, so the same formulas we will apply here for this. A11 is multiplied with B11 plus A12 is multiplied with B21, right? So that is what the formulas we are having. Yes or no? You just observe here. Okay, this is what we previously studied. So in the, with the previous brute force algorithm, we are taking 8 multiplications and 4 additions was there. So hence the time complexity was n cube. So later Strassen has given, and Strassen has reduced to 7 multiplications and 18 additions, right? By taking formulas. Okay. So here it is different. D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So there we are taking P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay. And you may accept that all are same. Okay. Is it clear? We can use the same formulas. But here my question is, suppose if we are having, see 2 cross 2 means, so easily you can solve, right? Suppose if it is 4 cross 4, right? 4 cross 4, suppose if it is 4 cross 4, we will divide that like this. Okay. Now this in A00, in this A00, we are having a 4 elements are there. It is 2 cross 2 now. Is it clear? Okay. So we are dividing this. Now we are taking these 4 elements as a single element, A00. Okay. Now first we will calculate same A00 plus A11. Okay. A00 plus A11 into B00 plus B11. You just see here what is happening. If I want to calculate this M1, okay, I am multiplying this A00 with A11. Okay, A00, sorry, I am adding this A00 with A11, then B00 with B11. See, addition of matrix is happening here. A11 means if I take this as A11, so this matrix I am adding with B11, right? Sorry, A11 and again B00 with B11. Okay. So we are adding this A00 with A11 and B00 with B11. Next, we are multiplying these two. So hence we are getting this M1. Okay. Is it clear? Kindly respond, please. So very simple. So don't confuse anything here. Okay, don't confuse anything. You just observe here. So we are calculating this PQ RSTUV. Okay, we are calculating this PQ RSTUV. The same formula here. Okay, the same formulas you apply. The same formulas what we are having here. The same formulas you apply here for this A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, so here it is saying, what it is saying, what is the formula it is saying? P is A11 plus A22 into B11 plus B22. You calculate this now. A11 plus A22 means you take this entire, just 1 second. You just A11 means these 4 elements are A11. Okay, A11 is nothing but these 4 elements. A22 is nothing but these 4 elements. So you add these two matrix now. So you are getting like this: 1, 2, 5, 6 plus 11, 12, 15, 16. Okay. So this is equals to P. P. Is it clear? This is equals to P matrix. Am I clear? Is it clear? This is A11 and this is A22, right? So next, this complete thing is multiplied with B11 plus B22. Okay. Understanding? Let me take here. We'll get one matrix when we add these two. Okay. Next, B11 plus B22. You take that one here. What is B11? Again 1, 2, 5, 6 plus 11, 12, 15, 16. Right? Okay. You perform this A11 plus A22, B11. This is B11 plus B22. Okay. When you perform result, here you will get one matrix and here you will get one more matrix. Right. Now you multiply these two. Finally you will get this P matrix. Finally you will get P matrix. Is it clear? Kindly respond, please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
calculation is very simple, but based on this formulas you should calculate. P is saying A11 plus A22. What is A11? When it is 4 cross 4, I am dividing this, right? I am dividing this. So when I divide, we will get here 1, 2, 5, 6 as 2 cross 2 matrix. That complete thing we are taking it as A11. Similarly, this 3, 4, 7, 8 complete thing 2 cross 2 matrix complete we are taking it as A12. Okay. So now it is A11 plus A22. So we are taking A11 as 1, 2, 5, 6 and A22 as 11, 12, 15, 16. So when we add this we will get one matrix. So that is the output of this one. Again when we add this B11 plus the B22 we will get one matrix. Now you multiply these two matrices by using the same formulas PQ, RST, UV and C1, C2 recursively we are calling. Finally we are getting one matrix, that is P. Okay. Similarly you should calculate Q. Similarly we should calculate R. Similarly calculate S, T, U, V. Okay. Is it clear? See, the problem size is very big, but the calculations are very easy. Only simple basic operations. 2 cross 2 matrix multiplication, 2 cross 2 matrix additions. That's it. Is it clear? Kindly respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, as we are doing here, similarly you calculate. Similarly you calculate all these PQ, R, S, T, U, V. Then you substitute in this one. See here again you are substituting P plus S. What is P? P is matrix we are getting. P is matrix we are getting. So P, similarly you will be getting S matrix. So when you are calculating P plus S, again you are adding two matrices. That is what? Number of multiplications are less and number of additions are more. Understanding? Okay. So here you substitute this P, S minus T plus V. Finally you are getting C11. So that is same as like this. Same as like this. You are getting resultant matrix also you will get like this. Yes or no? Resultant matrix also 4 cross 4 will be there. In that again, so we are getting this, we are taking this as C11 and this as C12 and this as 21 and this is 22. So you are getting this 2 cross 2 elements. When you are performing this, C11 is equals to P plus S minus T. What is that? Next one? V. Okay. Plus V. So when you perform this, you are getting 4 elements here. So this is one element and this is one element. This is one element. This is one element. Similarly, when you calculate C12, you will get 4 elements. Similarly, when you calculate C21, you will get this. C22, you will get this. Now it is a resultant matrix of. Now it is the product of 4 cross 4 matrix. Finally, you are getting this one. Is it clear? Is it clear? Kindly respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Based on you take these formulas, PQ, R, S, T, U, V. Okay. Based on this, so now what is that you should do when the matrix is large enough? When the matrix is large enough, you divide that matrix so that previously you are having. Previously it was like this, 2 cross 2, right? Now it is, since it is 4 cross 4, you are getting like this. You are getting like this. Previously you are taking this as one element. Now it is also 2 cross 2 only. If you are considering this as one element, this is A11, this is A12, and this is A21 and this is A22. Now it is also 4 elements only, means 2 cross 2 only. But again, if you are taking this A11, you are having 4 elements. So this A11 is representing these 4 elements. Is it clear? Okay. Now, so the task for you is you find out matrix multiplication of this one. Is that example? So you please try to solve this one. You try to solve this. A is equals to 1021 4110 0130 5021. Similarly, B is equals to 0101 2104 2011 1350. You solve this, you find the resultant matrix. See, it is 4 cross 4, so the resultant matrix will be 4 cross 4 only, right? So you try to find this one, apply Strassen's matrix multiplication and you solve this one. Is it clear? Kindly write down this. Kindly write down this one problem. A matrix and B matrix. Finished, sir? You try to check these digits, sir. Okay. Finished, sir? Finished? Finished, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you will do, since it is a 4 cross 4, the problem size is large. So what we will do, we will divide that, right? So when you divide, you will get like this, right? So this is A11, right? This is A12 and this is A21. It is A22. Similarly here, it is B11, B12 and here it is B21, B22, right? So now you can calculate this P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Once you calculate, then you find out C11, C12, C21, C22. So automatically you will get the answer, right? Yes or no? But you should calculate this, sir. To calculate this, we need P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So from where we will get these values? From these formulas. Okay? Is it clear? Everyone, the next class I will just ask you to share the document which you solved now. It is compulsory, 100% you will get in an examination. There is no doubt in that one. Okay. Is it clear? Compulsory, you will get 4x4 matrix only in the examination. No doubt in that one. So try to solve. It is for 10 to 12 marks. Is it clear? Okay. So in the next class, I will just ask you to share the document which you solved. Compulsory, I will ask. Okay. Try to solve everyone. We'll meet in a next class. Okay. So is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?